A friend wants to know how justified is it to follow someone in the search of truth. Truth or Satya cannot be emulated. It is attained by diving into deep waters. It is required to enter into the bottomless depth of yourself. When you want to attain to self by someone's generosity, it becomes the beginning of the vicious circle of blind faith. Then only claimants are born who claim to give you the truth. When you want this truth from somebody, then exploiters, claimants are born who claim to give you the truth, knowledge, and enlightenment. It is not that the claimant is wrong. Your demand itself is faulty. This world is very interesting, where all types of demands are created. Observe your demands with alertness. Allow them be purified in the fire of awareness. This world is a strange place. Here the sun of consciousness may pass by you and its light may fall on you in such an assaulting way that you may not even know of it. Here somebody can free you from all worship of man and yet hang his own picture, hang his own identity around your neck and complicate things by deluding and specifically blinding you. Here someone may transform you by merely his presence being most ordinary. Be cautious of people who talk about futility of names but still like to see their own names addressed in the most respected and most holy manner. Beware of the mentality that keeps struggling to prove their guru most holy, supernatural, and incomparable. Don't ask for help from anyone. Don't go in anybody's shelter. Don't beg from anyone. Just observe your being. In gradually observing your being, whatever is pseudo shall disappear and what remains is what you had been searching for. It has always been there. That is why no one can give it to you. It is your intrinsic nature. Rejoice in it.